Hello, my name is Tato, and I'm going to walk you through quiz access for week 8, quiz access chapter 4. And here we're going to solve problem 7. In problem 7, we have the following information for this company here, and we're going to prepare closing entry for it. So this is the data that we have for the company, and the first one that we're going to start recording is to record closing of the credit balance in the temporary account. In the temporary account, we know like sales are always temporary account, so we're going to put sales, and we're going to debit it. It's about 553. And also we're going to credit the income summary for it. It's just the same. Okay, this is what we have for the recording one and the first entry. The second one we're going to work and go through. We're going to start with income summary that we don't know yet, and in here we're going to credit all this account here. We're going to, if we list them in the credit side, then we debit the income summary for it. So here we have, if we look at the data, we have sales, returns and allowance. So we can start sales, returns and allowance. It's 18,700. 18,700. We have sales discount. Sales discount. Sales discount. We have 5,600. That's for the sales discount. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. This figure here. It's out. After cost of goods sold, we're going to have salary expenses. Okay, so let's see, salary expenses here. It's here. Then we put the figure for it. How much was it? It was 54,000. 1, 2, 3. After that, we have to also get utilities for the company. Utilities expenses, we also credit it. It's about 18,000. Oops. Selling expenses. Selling expenses is right here. It's 39,000. The administrative expenses also we credited as well. It's Oops, one, 2, 3. It's here. After that, we get all this figure here. We get all the figure here for this, and we thumb.
Leave it now.
As I said, like in here, we're going to sum all these figures here together for the credit side. Then we come out with the income summary, and this one here, I use my Excel and I just sum. I use sum, and I summed all the figures together for this account, and I got about 470 300. Have it for this, and then let me first make sure I wrote it right. Okay. Then in here we're going to record closing income summary. In the income summary here we have income summary as well. Income summary, and we have retained earning. How to get the income summary and retained earning? Here we're going to credit the retained earning and we debit the income summary. How to get it is we get the sales amount, we subtract the income summary from the temporary account here, and we get the income summary for this, and if we subtract, we're going to get this figure here, 82,700. As all for the 82,700 for retained earning. The last one we are going to record closing of dividend account. In the dividend account, we already have the dividend, so we're going to have retained earning. Retained earning. Oops, retained earning. Retained earning is going to be 39,000, and we're going to credit the retained earning. Dividend, we're going to we're going to debit the retained earning and credit the dividend is 39,000. And then that's all I have. Let me first make sure that I didn't leave something out. I tried and worked on it earlier, and it was off by some numbers. Just make sure, like when you adding all these numbers together, sometimes the calculator can't help. But when you're using the Excel, it make it a bit easier, and it gives you a correct figure when you're calculating it. That's what I have for all. For now, let me first check and we see if we got it right. Oops. Okay. Here I have repeated utilities, and instead it's supposed to be selling expenses for this one here. Earlier I got it right. It's just like I just messed. So like just make sure when you're scrolling and getting this, you get them right. But this is a figure. It's supposed to put selling expenses. That what I have all for my presentation, and I hope like you understand. And if you have any question, please just let me know. Thank you.